As most of you know, we are witnessing an unprecedented disruption in the space of technology. The artificial intelligence, famously called as AI, is changing the way the human life is being lived. We see AI getting disrupted in almost all walks of the life, from drug discovery to creating new materials to software engineering. Most of the advances in this artificial intelligence field has happened due to these family of models which are known to as the generative models. So it is imperative that a practitioner or an engineer or a student of science has to be conversant with the methodologies that concern generative AI. While there are enormous amount of content and courses that are out there on generative AI, there are seldom places where the mathematical details and nuances of these algorithms are dealt with. So in this particular course that will be hosted on NPTEL, I will be making an attempt towards going very deeply into the mathematical nuances of most widely used generative AI algorithms. Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Pratosh and I'm a faculty in the division of EECS at the Indian Institute of Science. Specifically in this course, we will take a probabilistic approach towards generative AI, and we formulate the problem of generative modeling from the perspective of sampling from probability distributions, and we will cover a gamut of generative AI algorithms, starting from the generative adversarial networks and variational encoders and diffusion models, the autoregressive models, the large language models, and different kinds of applications and nuances associated with them. We also look at several methodologies, including the reinforcement learning based fine-tuning methodologies associated with these algorithms, and we will deal with multiple modalities of data, be it the text or the code or the images and so on. Now this course will also have a practical component to it, where we discuss the implementation details of all these algorithms in using some of the open source tools such as PyTorch and so on. So welcome and join us in this course, where we not only teach you how to use some of these algorithms for your applications, but also tell you how to develop these algorithms from first principles, so that after completing this course, you will not only be a good practitioner of generative AI, but you will also be a good researcher and developer of generative AI, where you can introduce and come up with new algorithms which are first to the world, and be a researcher in this particular field. So come and join this course and log into nptel.ac.in to know more details about this course. Thank you.